So we're having Chips Mayai
Yeah, Chips Mayai, but they sample it with kebab.
with kebab.
Yes, kebab.
Okay,
Yeah. So
okay,
this is one of the best fast food in Tanzania.
okay.
So it's mostly eaten by the young people because it's takes short time to make, but also it's affordable. So you can have it with any soft drink.
Okay.
So you can have it juice, soda. That's why it's so popular. So it's very popular around the colleges and universities, but also along the large crowd area because that's where I'm still in market.
Okay.
In Buyuni.
Okay.
Let's try and see how it tastes. Yeah,
It's
yummy.
good. Yeah. Okay. So Chips Mayai.
Chips Mayai.